Seems to me I've always wanted to fly. You've only practiced how many times now, Flutterpage? Do I got to go higher to take off?
Mind yourself, Liberty. I'm cleaning.
Birds fly because they got wings. So, where do I get mine? Huh? Dad?
I told you not to use your arcane skill in public.
But it just happens.
You know you were putting yourself in danger, don't you?
I just got this feeling that I'm supposed to fly. If I could do that, things would be so much easier at work, and I'd get more money. And if we had money, maybe we'd live a better life.
I don't want you to worry over that, love. Let's just go home.
I could get all the things I want, if only I had a pair of wings. The wind is flowing around me, and I know where it's going. I've got it now.
She looks free.
The wind will be my wings.